Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to use Happn dating application on iPhone for beginners. Happn is a unique dating application that helps you discover people you've crossed paths with in real life. Whether you're looking for romance, friendship, or simply curious to meet new people, Happn offers a convenient and exciting way to connect with others. I'm gonna guide you through the process of using Happn on your iPhone, which should be covered in few steps. So let's get to them one by one. Step 1. Download the Happn application. To get started with Happn, the first thing you need to do is to download the app, of course. In order to do that, go ahead and launch open the App Store from your iPhone. Also make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet. Go to the search box at the top and type in HAPPN and search. Once you find the Happn dating application in the search result, tap on the Get button to start downloading the app. Now wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch open Happn dating app. Step 2. Creating a profile. Once you've installed and opened up your Happn application, it's time to set up your profile. From the first interface of Happn, go ahead and select one of the login methods. If you don't have an account yet, tapping on one of these options will register you for a new account. Choose whether you would like to sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook. I'm gonna choose Connect with Google, and then on the next page, tap on I agree to these terms. Allow necessary permission for the application by tapping Allow, or you can also skip this step for now. Click the Continue button in the pop-up and you will then end up in this page. Since I've chosen Google, it is prompting me to choose a Google account. Now, on the next page, go ahead and enter your Google account's credential. If you've selected Apple or Facebook, you will need to enter your Apple ID or your Facebook account's email. After entering your Google account's credential, on the next page, type in your account's password. Once you are done signing in to your respective accounts, tap on Continue. On the next page, enter your first name. Choose your birthday from the next page, and if you would like to receive notifications from Happn, tap on Allow. If you don't want to receive notifications yet, tap Don't Allow. Select your gender on the next page. You can also enter some more information such as your height, your sign, and the gender you are interested in meeting. You'll also need to choose what you are looking for on Happn, or simply skip this step for now by tapping Skip at the top right corner. Follow through the instructions till the end, answer all of your questions, and then you will need to add your photos. Tap on Add a Photo and simply take a picture from your camera, or tap on Photo Library option to select an existing picture. After selecting the picture and adding it on your profile, tap on the Continue button. You can also add more photos on your profile, or you can also do it later on. Now, allow location access for Happn. Doing this will allow the platform to find people you cross paths with. Also make sure to add other information for yourself, and after you are done with it, you will then end up in the Explore page. After you've added all of the additional information about you, you will then be able to complete your profile, and that is how you should be able to create your profile. Step 3. Exploring matches. Now that your profile is set up, the next thing to do is to start discovering potential matches on Happn. From the main Explore page, you will come across several profiles. It will show you profiles of people who have crossed paths with you in real life. To like someone, tap on the heart icon. To dislike or pass someone, tap on the cross icon. If someone also likes you back, it will be a match, and then you can start chatting with each other. Step 4. Sending crushes. In addition to liking and disliking, Happn also allows you to send crushes to people you are interested in. When you come across someone you like, tap on the little star icon right below their profile. Soon after you click on star, you will be able to send them a crush. If they also send you a crush, it's a match and you can start chatting. Step 5. Editing your profile. If you ever want to edit your profile for Happn, from the main homepage, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top right hand corner. Now click on Edit My Profile, and then you can update your profile picture, verify your profile picture and increase your chances of crushing, customize your profile by adding a teaser, give your profile a description, add more information about you such as your work, education, city, etc. If you want to change your settings for your Happn application, simply go ahead and tap on Settings option, and then you can now configure notification settings, your account security, access your personal data, and much more. Step 6. Delete your account. If you ever find yourself in a situation that you no longer wish to use the Happn platform and you'd like to get rid of your personal data information, or you'd like to delete your account and all of its databases, then you will need to simply go ahead and tap on the Delete My Account button under Settings and Configuration. Tap on Delete My Account, and then you have two options. You can also pause your profile without having to delete it. If you press pause, you will be disconnected from the app and totally be invisible to other Happners until next time you log in. But if you want to completely delete your profile, tap on Delete My Account at the bottom. Select why you are trying to delete your account and tap Continue. Tap on Bye Bye Happn at the bottom, and you will then be able to delete your Happn account, your profile and all of its databases. So those were some of the basic steps that'll help you successfully learn how to use Happn on your iPhone to connect with new people and potentially find love or friendship. Remember to have fun, stay safe, and be open to new experiences. That is all for today's video. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.